Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of Discord when no one can hear you out on Discord properly or at all. So for that you need to open up your Discord, then go to your settings, and in your settings just go to this option of voice and video settings, open it up and make sure that you have allowed the microphone to access your voice channels so you can properly communicate with your other people using Discord. So since I have not given the access to my microphone to use Discord, that's why this message came up. And for that you need to just give up your permission and then check your voice channel over here by clicking on let's check, and also make sure that your input and output devices are on the microphones that you are currently using. So just make sure that you do it properly, and if you have messed up with your voice channel settings, then you can always come down below and click on reset voice settings to make them work for you like it used to work for you in the beginning of Discord. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.